kawan baik Anwar ni, Turkey. So Turkey always carries news about Anwar. Anwar ni kawan baik Erdogan lah. Yeah, and this is the news from Turkey. Tapi saya tengok berita Malaysia tak carry tau. Tak carry. Baik berita bahasa Malaysia, berita bahasa Inggeris tak carry. I'll read you ada 3 paragraph. I'll read you 3 paragraphs of this. Malaysia's Prime Minister Anwar Ibrahim announced on Wednesday, hari Rabu minggu lepas lah, announced on Wednesday that the country's eastern state of Sabah will get control of its oil and gas resources. Sabah will get control of its oil and gas resources. Okay? Reported in Turkey, not reported in Malaysia. Anwar said his cabinet has agreed to transfer control of oil and gas resources from Putrajaya to the Sabah state government through the state-owned oil company Petronas. Telah dipersetujui bahawasanya kontrol of the Sabah oil and gas will be transferred to the state from Putrajaya. Putrajaya tidak akan kontrol, Sabah government now control. Okay. Third paragraph. This has already been done in Sarawak. Sarawak dah buat. Now, last week, Sabah. Okay. Anwar told a news conference after chairing a meeting of his 27-member cabinet. So, mesyuarat kabinet diadakan hari Rabu minggu lepas. Samalah. Dah berpuluh-puluh tahun. Cabinet meeting is every Wednesday. Hari Rabu is hari mesyuarat kabinet. Semenjak Mahathir lagi dululah. Or even before Mahathir. So, masa mesyuarat kabinet tu, kabinet telah buat keputusan approved by kabinet, ya. Bahawasanya, as announced here, the country's eastern state of Sabah will get control of its oil and gas. So, kabinet sudah putus, ya. On Wednesday last week, semasa mesyuarat kabinet, control oil and gas di Sabah ditransfer dari Putrajaya ke Kerajaan Sabah. And they say this has already been done in Sarawak. Di Sarawak telah dilaksanakan. Okay. And now it will be transferred to the Sabah government. So Sarawak dah buat earlier. Last week keputusan kabinet, yes. So control of oil and gas, Sarawak will transfer from Petronas atau transfer from Putrajaya kepada negeri Sabah. So from this newspaper report Turkey, ni punya newspaper report yang tidak dilapor di baik berita bahasa Inggeris ke berita bahasa Malaysia di dalam Malaysia, and I cari, I tak jumpa. Mungkin I didn't notice, tak tahulah. Tapi benda ni tidak dibangkit. So blogger, TikTokers, YouTubers, Facebookers, saya tengok especially dari pembangkang, tak ada seorang yang duk sebut ni. Saya masuk 2-3 hari ni live tengok TikTok, perbincangan ni benda-benda lain, tak kena mengena dengan ni. But yang isu yang penting yang saya nak cerita ni is this. Sabah dan Sarawak rupanya dengan diam-diam transfer of the oil and gas ini control of the oil and gas ditransfer ke Sarawak dan sekarang di Sabah. So Sabah dan Sarawak now has control of its oil and gas. Ini the price Anwar has to pay. Ini harga dia lah. The price Anwar has to pay to make sure Sabah Sarawak ni continue memberi sokongan terhadap Anwar, tidak tarik sokongan terhadap Anwar.